Okay, let's play a game. I give you 6 vegan ingredients and your job is to rank them based on their levels of omega-3. Let's go.
The participants are chia seeds, walnuts, hemp seeds, Brussels sprouts, perilla oil, and finally, flax seeds. Okay, so now it's your turn. Sort the list from the highest to the lowest levels of omega-3 and write it down. For each one that you guessed correctly, you will get 1 point. Are you ready?
To make it more interesting, I asked my wife, who has read this monster of a book about nutrition and stuff, to join the competition, and to make it fair and square, I asked her to. Promise me you're not gonna search for it.
I'm not.
You've promised.
I'm not.
Okay, let's go.
It's time for the results.
With 1.7 milligrams of omega-3, Brussels sprouts are a, well, quite ordinary source of omega-3. So if you've guessed it to be the best source of omega-3, you really have to consider researching more about nutrition and stuff, or, just watch my videos.
Number 5 on the list might be the most delicious seed on the earth. You've guessed it, it's walnut. 1 gram of walnut has 90 milligrams of omega-3, making it more than 50 times richer in omega-3 than Brussels sprouts. Number 4, chia seeds.
What can I say? They're perfect. They're like Daniel LaRusso. They kick the competition in literally every competition. The taste could have been better.
They provide 175 milligrams of omega-3 per gram, while having as low as 4.9 calories. Number 3, hemp seed. According to healthline.com, in addition to having 39 milligrams of omega-3 per gram more than chia seeds, they have a lot of protein as well as magnesium, iron, and zinc.
Increasing the bars by only 40 milligrams per gram, the second place belongs to flax seeds, which makes perilla oil our champion. But my friend, if you thought for a second that the competition between perilla oil and flax seeds is a close one, you're sadly mistaken.
Perilla oil has an unbelievable 642 milligrams of omega-3 per gram, which makes almost 65% of it omega-3.
Now here's the thing, I left an important detail in all of this, which can possibly change everything. But before I tell you about that, we have a score to check. Wait a second, you participated as well, so why don't you write your score in the comments below? Nice!
So she managed to get 2 of them right, which is more than I expected, considering how hard this challenge was.
Okay, back to the point I left out. Here's the thing. We have 3 different kinds of omega-3 fatty acids. ALA, DHA, and EPA. The ones we need the most are EPA and DHA. Unfortunately though, plants give us ALA, which can be converted to EPA and DHA, but our body kind of sucks at doing it. So only 5% is converted to EPA and less than 5% to DHA. But before you leave veganism forever and start eating fish again, I have a surprise for you. No, it's not Mind Stone or Time Stone. It's algae oil. 1 or 2 of these bad boys is enough to cover you for the day, giving you 400 to 600 milligrams of EPA plus DHA in total. That's it. Bye. Now you've got to admit that was a cool ending, so why don't you hit that like and subscribe buttons?